Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Raihatun Nikmah. I'm from class TBI. Today I would like to tell about integrated English language teaching. The integrated skill approach emphasizes that interaction is both the means and the essential goals of language learning. Therefore, learning activities should be directed to enable students to communicate the message in terms of its meanings, instead of concentrating exclusively on grammatical perfection or phonetics. In relation to this, the student mastery of the language they are learning is evaluated in terms of how much they have developed their communicative ability and competence. To enable the student to develop their competence, ability, and competence, the language competence and skill must not be split. Hinckel states that a language may not be broken into parts to study it. However, the language, we need to integrate the skill and competence. In line with this, Hermert states that both of the received skill and the productive skill are two sides of the same coin. They cannot be spared because one skill can reinforce another in various ways. Type of integrated language teaching. Integrated language skill teaching is differentiated into two types. The first is content-based language teaching and the second is task-based language teaching. However, a hybrid of the two types is possible to use as an alternative. In content-based language teaching study, students practice language skill while engaging with activities focused on a specific subject. In task-based language teaching, students are involved in activities that require comprehending, producing, manipulating, or interacting in authentic language with attention in principally oriented to meaning rather than form. The students work together to solve a problem, competence a task, create a product, and etc. Therefore, learning takes place through social activity. Structured comprehensive learning techniques are often employed in task-based learning. The first is content-based language teaching. Content-based language teaching interaction is probably the most frequently used model of language skill integration. In this model, students practice language skill while interacting with activities focusing on subjects such as education, physics, culture, or science. In other words, all the language skills are practiced in a highly integrated, communicative manner while the students are studying the contents of certain subjects. The main objective is to develop student communicative competence in the target language, and the secondary goal is student mastery of content knowledge of the subject being learned. In communicative language teaching methods, the term content refers to two things: the function or the communicative purpose for which students use to the target language. Example about making introduction, invitation, greeting, interviewing, and etc. And the use of subject matter for second language teaching purpose. In content-based language teaching, a topic of or a theme of the subject matter is employed as a basic building block to a unified language skill. In other words, language skills are interwoven around the common topic or theme being learned. And the second is about task-based language learning. In task-based language learning, students participate in communicative tasks in the target language. Communicative tasks are activities which can stand alone as fundamental unit and require comprehending, producing, manipulating, or interacting in authentic language with attention in principally paid to meaning rather than from knowledge. To let the student develop their language skill, they are assigned to work in a pair or a group to solve a problem, competence a task, or create a product. For instance, students collaborate to create a poem, analyze a short story, in exchange from a play, and etc. While doing the task, they should communicate in the target language. In such a context, the task function to help unify two or more language skills together to facilitate meaningful communication. In addition, these tasks also serve as a glue to relate the language skill to learners' backgrounds, goals, culture, and linguistic competence. And the last is about techniques for integrating language skill. In integrated language skill teaching process, the content and activities should be sequenced in a logical progression by placing the easier aspect at the beginning, which are then followed by more difficult ones. In the process, the language skills should be sequenced and unified within a framework of a lesson or sequence of lesson. The skill integrated to the topic or task in the lesson units could be done in various ways, but the most common and convenient way is using the pattern that sequence them from recited listening and reading to producing skill, writing and speaking. Cohen and Burgers posited that the best model for integrated language skill is where the practice of receptive skill of listening and reading leads into the practice of the producing ones of speaking and writing. Such integration can be realized by exposing the learner with a body of information from enjoyable authentic texts, videos, music, magazine they read, watch, or listen, and two letters asking the two producing at the least some of its content is spoken or written language. This model is supported by the ORI stating inputting, interaction, output as the three essential compositing elements in language learning or acquisition. Language learning takes place when the student gets input the language that data exposed to the learners through listening or reading. That's all for me. Thank you for nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.